Hi. So I did Easter nails for spring with this little charm, this little star. You see that? It's a little star charm. Okay, I glued it there. Anyway, let's see if I can get this to focus. There we go, focusing. All right. I don't know which one's my favorite. This bee one has little, it's got like little, the the chunky glitter that I used for this is kind of honeycomb shaped. So I encapsulated some honeycomb glitter in there to make it look like honey. Anyway, I tried. And then butterfly nail. Focus. This camera. There we go. Butterflies encapsulated. And then I think this might be one of my favorites. Encapsulated pink ribbons. My dog keeps wanting to go in and out. Miss Molly. Encapsulated pink ribbons. Anyway, and then this one here. This is Fairy Magic. I thought that was cute. And then got a little unicorn guy. It's just a sticker, but it's still really cute. And then this one I might do a whole set of little daisies. I think I have some puppy hair there. Okay, well. And then, oh, now it wants to focus. And then more butterflies. So, and then this is just an Easter lily. There we go. So, Easter nails for my nail vlog. And that's about it. All right. Have a great day. Be kind to yourself and others. Bye.